Hi, my name's Jared, and I'm the Quality Systems Engineer Intern here at Precipart.
I think so. Where are you from?
I'm from... Being a part of Precipart has given me the insight and edge that I need to compete with the best and upcoming engineers for my future career. No matter the day or time you come into work here at Precipart, everyone is in a good mood. It's really motivational to work alongside people with that attitude and mindset every day. I enjoy the collaboration and effort Precipart has towards their interns. All the work that I do here actually has an impact on the day-to-day aspect of the company.
My name is Brianna Schmidt, and I'm the Operations Analyst Intern.
That means today or tomorrow. I asked her at the beginning of the week.
My main internship project is looking into on-time delivery. I am focusing all my time on this project so I can see what we need to improve and I can see what we're already doing well so we can please the customers and get their products to them when they want them. This is giving me experience in a business environment, so I'll be prepared for when I get a job in the future. I've learned how important data analysis is in a business, and I'm excited that I can be a big help in that area. It's been great working with my supervisor. We're on the same page on how much work I need, and I have a constant flow of assignments, so I'll always have something to do and always have something new to learn. My favorite part of the internship is how much I've improved. The first week that I was here, I relied a lot on my manager to give me direction every day. Now that I've been here for a month, I'm more self-sufficient and can figure out the next step in my project on my own.
So quick glance at this.
My name's Matt. I'm the Global Digital Solutions Intern at Precipart.
Transmit and store data. An example?
I've been working on projects to optimize the computing in our department, specifically the time it takes to deploy our computers. I've cut the time by 100%. I've also been working on ways to automate some simple processes in our department. I've learned how to be a lot more confident talking to people. My boss has really pushed that, and I've also learned a lot of technical skills, like how to manage computer systems and how to talk to people over the phone that need something fixed. And even if it's a simple solution, how to explain it to them. My supervisor is amazing. Cassie's such an amazing person. She's literally a genius. If there's any problem that you'd think you have with your computer, she can fix it. She's super sweet and she's super understanding and she wants you to learn. What I'm doing is exactly what I want to do in the future. I want to be working in the IT field, and that's what my boss Rob has me doing. He's not having me go get coffee, he's having me work on projects that will further my knowledge for when I need to get a job myself.